How's that? Yeah, okay, I don't know. Something must have gone wrong with my inputs. We'll run it back. Try again. It's my second chance to say good morning. A little better this time. Dan, what up? Good morning. Kevin, how you doing? Lupek, what's up? Nothing's buenos. Miguel, morning. Eddie, how you doing? Wolf, good morning. RXAO. Grizz says, good morning. I'll be traveling today and tomorrow, so no trades for now. Trade safe. Safe travels, Grizz. Hope you have a good trip. I don't remember where you're going, but hope you like it when you get there. Matt, good morning. Alistair, hi. Jasper, you're funded on MFFU already. Did you full port? No. I've been funded for a few days, and it took me, I don't know, maybe 3 days, 4 days to pass, something like that, I think. I did it, the past week or like last week, I think. I don't remember. I think I got funded in 3 or 4 days. Anyway, what's up, Christian? How you doing? Jim, aloha. Other Matt, what's up? Dan, you're still waiting on the MFFU live account? I'm good, thanks. Arif, what's up? All right, so FOMC, no change, obviously. Then we had earnings from some pretty big companies and had a nice push up. Nasdaq's going to open up like 1.1% higher, ES 0.8% higher. So a nice boost. The market has no brakes. It's all gas, no brakes over here. So I got a 30-minute demand zone right in front of 23,700. I'd be interested in us taking a swing at. All right, let's have a great session. What's up, Brew? Doing well? Dan, good morning. On down we go here. Into PDH. Overnight lows. Next level, I think of interest would be previous highs, previous all-time highs around the 650s here. Zoom out, you can see nice rejection off there on the 29th. Some really nice selling there. Pretty good. Is that 100 points since open? 100-point move down to previous all-time highs. Very nice. Profit taking because of earnings? Yeah, I mean, that makes sense. What's up, Olivier? Kat? Hey. Hola, what's up? Robo Roo got its second trade today. That's your automated trading system, Roo, I'm guessing. 2 for 2. It's a 1-to-1. take profit stop loss, so it's absolutely pointless. It's not pointless if it wins more than it loses. It just has to win, 55%. You want to cover some fees, but just has to win slightly more, and it'd be technically profitable. Grizz would have loved that short. Too bad he's traveling. I would have loved that short if I wanted to trade the open. Well, it's pretty much we turned around like a tick or two above previous all-time highs. That's why I will keep some of those levels on the chart. I noticed that yesterday I had a really clean rejection off this other previous all-time high level in the 580s. So I'm like, okay, I'll leave that on the chart, and then on the retracement back down, if we just blow through it without any issue, I'm going to delete it. And same with this line here. If we don't turn around right there, I'm going to say, okay, it's probably not very relevant anymore, and I'm going to delete that line. For now, going down to previous all-time highs, we're now back up to PDH. Let's see if that offers sellers a chance to reload. Where are you going, Grizz? Where are you going on your trip? And did my invite get lost in the mail, or did you mistype my email address, or what happened? It's kind of strange. That is the first I'm hearing about this. Not mad, I'm just disappointed. Griffin, you got that short from 838 all the way down to 786. Nice job. What's up, Cypher? Good morning. ES long, maybe? Do have a little bit of divergence right now. ES turned around right at PDH there. I would wait probably for NASDAQ to make sure that it's finding support here. I want to see see NASDAQ again. It's a stronger index. We want to see it find support. If it doesn't, womp womp. Stay away from longs. Nice, Rue. Sounds good. Have you ever thought about swing trading instead of day trading? I mean, yeah, definitely. The video I'm putting out tomorrow is about the swing trading and options I did earlier this year. That was very profitable. And it was just 2 trades and it was massive return. So I definitely see the benefit. NASDAQ ticking lower here. Is there any news behind all this move down? I don't think you have to worry about news for this move down. This looks like some routine selling after a gap up. We went through the roof last night for some reason. Well, you could say earnings. In this case, it was Meta and what was the other one? Microsoft. They both had they both beat expectations. Market reacted accordingly. If we can hold 650 here, I think the long side would be nice. For someone that only trades NAS, I really need to start listening to tech news. Yeah, Rue, I mean, just be aware of, you know, what's going on. Beneficial. How's my favorite trader slash supermodel slash best YouTuber in the world doing? I don't know, but you're in the wrong chat. What's up, Luhan? I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you doing? Miguel, you caught 30 points on NAS, 12 points on ES. Well done. So ES did dip there. New lows. NAS maybe is finding some support. This could break at any time. Volume really fell off there pretty fast. Very low. Well, all right. I think we're leaking lower here. This candle closes heavy, which looks like it's going to. Definitely look for the next target to the downside, which may be this other previous all-time high level around 580s. Yeah, there's a nice heavy candle there. ES, not really correlating there on that move. Hey, Maine, what up? How you doing? Expecting a strong move to the upside, then looking for a continuation. Trader Fath, what up? Good morning. Christian, you just found out Generation Lost is my music project. Very nice, chill music to focus. Glad you like it. Too late to short? Question mark. Well, let's see here. Let's see what happens. I mean, the market, Nasdaq is still up 0.7%. Cobb, you're in Bali lately, and they played Conflicted at a restaurant called This Is Bali. That's cool. I'll take it. Maybe we're gonna find support now. Right above 600 here. I think there's a move to the upside to be had. I don't know, Trader Fat. It's possible they're just playing on Spotify or whatever, you know. It's not a big deal. All right. Yeah, my question is, if I participate in this upside here, am I gonna get smacked? When we get a continuation down. Well, if they play it on Spotify, you're saying they should pay extra because it's like a business or something? Honestly, I don't even know how that works with businesses playing Spotify. I don't know if they need a different license or anything. You might get smacked, but it's good to get smacked every now and then. I've been smacked plenty. I don't need any more of that. All right, I like it. All right, I'm in long here, MFFU. Uh-oh. Is that curtains on that account then? I thought I had 247.5. Why did I get stopped at? Was that where my stop was placed? Seems way... It was only 10 points? Try this again here. I don't know why I forgot to adjust my stop there. The stop was way too tight. It's annoying. Close to the target. This was my, well, never mind. I moved my profit target up here. See if I can get a little bit more out of this move. It's 50% retracement here. 15-minute opening. All right, I'll take that off. Pretty clean trade. I wish the first loss did not happen because it was completely avoidable. That's all right. What's up, Evan? How you doing? Yeah, Eddie. Yeah, exactly. I don't know why. I think I just completely forgot to adjust this stop loss. That's a mental error there. Yeah, Part Chef, I'm good. You gotta switch your Discord name back, by the way. What happened to my data here? Wow, Edge Pro X came disconnected. There we go. So that was a nice retest of PDH, 50% retracement there. More upside available for sure. Why am I trading minis though? Because at this point I just feel like it would take too long just to crawl back out of the hole. Just gonna go minis and either more quickly get out of the hole or just lose the account. Yeah, Parshav, you've been dealing with a lot of stuff. All right, Dan, sorry about that, but hey man, you're on a hot streak, you're crushing it, so you know, you can at least rest easy knowing that you know, you're firing on all cylinders. You're just waiting on administrative stuff, so we'll see you tomorrow for our Friday stream. How about that? Gotta take this phone call. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Eddie, maybe you can just ban them from Top Step for being impatient little brats. Is that a valid reason? Any videos going live on any of your channels right now, says Mango Street? Well, hey, now that you mention it, Mango Street has a new video. It's a fun one. It's from the archives, so you don't even, it's not even about photography or anything. We did this back in 2019, I want to say. It's a fun video, so if you want to, yeah, there you go. Rachel posted the link. Yeah, part stuff I know it is. It's becoming more and more desensitized here, but still considered highly offensive. It's still considered like probably the most, the strongest swear word you could say. But it is becoming used more often than ever before here. Yeah, there's a link for the video. Again, it's Rachel trying to throw a party as an introvert. It's pretty fun. Yeah, we filmed it 6 years ago. It features, let's see, it features Colin Rosenblum from Colin and Samir. Features our friends Justin, Will. Actually, I think Andrew Baxter, who's been in the live stream every once in a while, makes an appearance in the video. It's a fun one. Yeah, don't forget to like the stream. That's number one, most important. Ritik, Joshi, what up? Thank you for watching the channel. Did you ever live stream Roblox? I've never played Roblox, so no. All right, so if you look at this bottom left here, the middle line is the 50% retracement of that 15-minute opening bar. Kind of stalled out here. So, if possible, we see, revisit lows, maybe around 630s, if not, 600. That's something I would watch for now, just because we're not really holding value above 50% retracement and through 700. Where I think we're going up. Yeah, I mean, that's completely possible. We could just be flagging here a little bit, and we'll then get the breakout to the upside. Sure, you can see that. What's up, G-Man? Doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty good.
You see my stream deck? Oh, that's not a big deal. I was just trying to get the audio to work for it. Gabagool. Larry David. Save the money. But yeah, stop this. Like earlier when I hit the... It wasn't working, so... Looks like it's coming through now, so I was just getting that fixed. I ain't got no secrets there at the stream deck. It's pretty basic. All right, maybe now's the chance to crack 700 here. Get a question on my funded futures. Do they let you use VWAP? Because in Tradeovate on the order flow add-ons, I can't use it. VWAP should not. Why is VWAP considered an order flow add-on? I have VWAP right here. I got a free one, CE tools. So explore community indicators, and there's a few VWAPs there that are free. Try that. How many funded accounts now? I just have one. This guy right here, that's kind of down bad here, but we're working on it. Can I go to add-ons? No, I don't want to, because it might show private stuff if I go to add-ons. Just don't go to add-ons though, John. You don't have to go there. Just go to the indicator spot. Close all this stuff. Go here, John. Indicators, explore community indicators. Whoops. Explore community indicators, and then there's plenty of, like, just search VWAP. Why is that echoing? I don't know what's going on with the audio today. Something got a little screwy with it. Sorry about the echo. Should be fixed now though. It's like this. I got the soundboard to work, and then for some reason it's picking up my microphone too, which doesn't make any sense. So, anyways, just grab VWAP from here. Don't worry about add-ons. I'd potentially be interested in shorting this if we just fail here to make any, to close strong on any of these candles. Am I getting any affiliations with more prop firms like Trade? I haven't signed up for any more lately. I don't want to promote too many of them. I'll probably narrow it down. D-session, exclamation point, music and chat. Should give you the link. I don't want to promote like every freaking funding firm ever, you know? Even like the 4 or whatever I have on my site. Like that seems like a bit much. I might narrow it down. What's up, Maul? How you doing? Good to see ya. Alright, yeah. So thinking about the short here. How's it going? Good. Had one, you know, one trade, had a misplaced stop loss. So I got stopped out. I had to get back in at a little higher price. So I'm green, but not nearly as green as I would have been had I had the right thing set correctly. They banned Bullnox in Kenya? Oh, man. All right, trading the 50K with 20 Apex. Those blue. Those blue. So, man, I'm just not good at adapting to that intraday trailing drawdown. It's taking me a little bit. Well, Maul, I didn't mean to have my stop there. I just forgot to move it. It's just kind of silly. D-session, the song's in the bottom left corner of the screen. It's right down here. This one's called Reincarnate. Ah, man. Yeah, so this is what I want to see, but I'd like to be in on it. Could be a little fake out here to the downside. That'd be interesting. Here's VWAP on ES. Watching to see if we can reclaim that. Did I see that the US dollar index finally went up to 100 today? No, I did not. Good for her. And start with 5 or 10 accounts on Apex and scale up. That should be easy. Well, I had 12 accounts. Just got to get it all clicking, you know. Sometimes, you know, you can pass in like 5 seconds on those things, and other times be a struggle. Dan, your charts are charts a bit of madness. Are they just zoomed funny on OBS? I don't know what you mean by madness. This is just the. I think it's just because I'm on. So this is the MFFU layout when I trade Tradevate. So it looks a certain way, and then when I switched back to MotiveWave, I can understand. I gotta switch then on OBS to this one. So. All right, we might get this pop through here, but if we don't, definitely would like to see more short side here. Thing is, I'm not trading on MotiveWave today. I don't have any active accounts other than a practice account, but I do chart on MotiveWave. This is why I like to have both up here, so I can execute on Tradevate. May go for the short side move instead. Just your opinion, Maul, but you'd have at least one higher time frame visible. Well, yeah, that's why I usually go back here. But when I'm looking to enter, the higher time frame is not going to change a whole lot while I'm looking for my entry. And I definitely don't look at the DOM. I'm on NAS. It's madness. Would you start multi-streaming on Twitch too? Yes. Yeah, I'm down to do that. Looking long. Well, I mean, I think both could definitely play out of here, but I think right now the short side seems a little bit more probable to me. So I'm looking more so to short here. I wouldn't mind seeing a spike higher that gets slapped, and then I would hop in. Well, maybe I'm not going to get that spike higher. Maybe we're just going to get the smack. Well, not the kind of area. I mean, I wanted to enter a bit higher here. I was just waiting for that one more move higher. Shit. First 10 minutes looked like it was going to be a fun day, and then it just died on us. Go long, Dan? I don't think I'll go long right now. Feeling the short side still. Rather short a little higher. 60s maybe. Carmine Green on day? I don't think he's taking any trades. I don't know. Did anyone see the drop on copper yesterday? In like 3 minutes, if you shorted 1 minute, you would have made 30K. 20% drop just like that. Wow. Assume it has something to do with the, 150% tariffs or 50%, whatever. Some massive tariffs on them. No, the opposite on them because of the cost going lower. It has nothing to do with the tariff. Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't look at copper. I don't think about it at all. All right, this is kind of where I was looking for a higher low to be put in here. What's the dual thingy? It's just a way to like have fun with made up points. It's just random. Dan only thinks about soybeans. I don't think about soybeans at all. Rachel's very allergic to soy. Well, historically she's allergic to soy, so I definitely don't bring soy products in the house. I think about lean hogs. That is what I think about. Jake. Oh, you got some stories, son. We might get a long side now. Yeah, G-Man. I like the long more now. Luhan, you need someone to, yeah, exclamation point accept. There you go. Hey guys, everyone do me a favor. Literally the number one way to support a YouTube channel for free is by leaving a comment, like watching a video, leaving a comment. When we get comments on Mango Street, it really increases the way that the algo will push the video out to people. And we have 1 million subscribers, but no one ever sees our videos. Like literally, we get comments all the time where they say, I haven't seen your video in like 2 years on my homepage. If you guys go watch this video and leave a comment, a nice comment, not just a, slop comment, I'll do a couple giveaways. Just help out my other channel, if you would be so kind. If you have, like 5 minutes of downtime while you're waiting for your next setup, just watch that video, leave us a nice comment, and we'll do a giveaway. In fact, you know what? I'm just gonna do the comment picking. I'm gonna pick a comment from that video to give the account to. So that means you have extremely high chances of winning. If like 10 people leave a comment, you have a 1 in 10 shot. So yeah, don't just do a stupid comment where you say nice, but just a modicum of effort if you'd be so kind. And then I'll pick someone who leaves. I'll pick like a couple people, and we'll do like Apex, or you could pick Apex or My Phone and Features. What about that video? Watch it and then leave a nice comment, and I'm gonna pick someone from that to win to get a free funded account, or not, you know, not a funded account, but an eval, free eval. I don't want to buy comments, no. I want it to be organic. I just want people to make the effort to go do it. Like, I don't think most people realize how much commenting actually helps. Because we did one video, it's like not a crazy video, it's just us talking to the camera. But we got such an outpouring of comments that it's been our most viewed video in a long time. So it really will get the video to like the next level. It'll push it out to more people. Mango Street, that's your girlfriend? Mango Street's the channel I run with my wife, Rachel. All right, so back to the lows here. Let's see if we can hold up for a double bottom here. It's my ex-girlfriend, pal. I've been watching your videos every day, and I didn't get anything. Yeah, we just posted at 9 a.m. so 30 minutes ago. But like, you know, it's just hard to get YouTube to show it to people. So. Well, Alistair, don't say I said to do this. You're doing as you're told. Come on. Oh, man. You guys are funny. Why, it's true. I said leave a nice comment, not a hostage comment. Funny. Okay, let me find like a giveaway picker. I am one of Dan's bots. Beep boop. Molly got long? I got my eye on it. Got my eye on it. Might join you. I just grabbed a piece of gum, like wintergreen gum. I'm allergic to like a strong peppermint. Not, I mean, like it makes me sneeze. So it always triggers my, like the first few chomps of the gum triggers sneeze usually. It's kind of funny. Any trades yet? Yeah, I took essentially one trade that I had to enter twice because my stop was misplaced. I went long here. Accidentally stopped out there. I meant to have my stop lower. And I got back in and took a small profit. So I'm up 135. Nothing to write home about here. ML freelance trader, you're at almost 4,000K in profit. Wow. That's $4 million, isn't it? That's pretty good. GG's. $4,000 kroner. So you could still leave a comment. We'll leave it open for a little bit, but you have a very good chance of winning. Right now you have like a 1 in 10 shot of winning, so that's pretty good. Comment where? Here, watch the video, leave a nice comment. You saw Wonderwall live on stream and on the video, yeah. Yeah, if you want to see me playing Wonderwall, it's in that video actually. Forgot about that. Huh. Still like the short side best, honestly. Go guy outside, that's not a nice comment. It's got to be about the video. I'm deleting your comment. It's not a good comment. We need better comments. It's got to be related to the video or something. Otherwise, it just looks like I bought a bunch of comments, which, you know, borderline is offering an incentive, but come on, just help me out. Deleted it if you want to be entered. Unrelated to trading. Can't be completely off topic. Come on now. All right. I'm going to short. I don't really like the location, but I think we're going to get a move through 600 here. $85 is a good target. I'm not sure. I don't really buy that this double bottom is going to hold here. Yeah, the video's about Rachel and half the comments are about you playing guitar. What are you talking about? The one I keep linking to. Just look in the chat. There's a bunch of links to that video. Finding a little bit of life here. The buyers. I'm not talking to you, Mal, about the video. I'm talking to Mr. Puff, who's wondering. If you're trying to trade, don't worry about it. If you got downtime in between your setups, help me out. I'm the oldest of your subscribers. Please read my comments. He said, you have to make your channel fun. Get a valuation account, pick one or more people, ask for entry level, and stop while you place the trade. That's just a dumpster fire when people do that. It's too hard to coordinate. It's, you know, I like to keep it this channel pretty fun, but like, it's got to be reasonably, like, I'm trying to improve as a trader, you know. I don't want to just goof off too much. What's the console at 355? Partial, that's the N64. You don't know the N64 controller, son? Very close to the profit target. About 2 points away. Boom.
I'm feeling.
That feels good. Nice exit there at previous all-time highs. The yellow line on the chart. So 685 on the day there on the funded, which is nice. I like that. A lot of times I would take the long there, but it just felt too heavy, like just a lack of buyer aggression there. So I'm glad that the double bottom broke, and I got a nice little baggie there. Trying to revive this, get it away from that drawdown. So far, the exit is primo, a very nice target. Even if we flush lower, looks to be a great place to take profit without having to sweat any pullbacks, at least partials. You know, Matt is in a losing streak. He said he's not good with summer. I mean, I'm on a losing streak too, and haven't been liking this either. So I can relate to what he's feeling probably there. What's up, Jose's Trades? How you doing? Thanks, Jake. I think I don't remember. Usually I edit videos, but it's possible Rachel edited that one. Don't remember. It was 6 years ago. I did the intro. I filmed the intro and stuff. Actually, you know, I think I edited it. I do remember doing a lot of those graphics. I don't remember, though. It was 6 years ago. Thanks for the comment, Jake. That was our old photo studio in LA. It's nice. We used to live across the street from it. So our apartment was across the street, and then we had our studio right there in that building where we did that video. It was fun. It's a good time. All right, so market's heading lower here. My next area of interest is Sunday open. This has been pretty good level all week. 520. Any updates on you versus TBM GeoGuessr competition video? That wouldn't be any fun. I mean, I would whoop them. I mean, you saw my time guesser freaking nailing the Hague yesterday. I mean, I don't think it'd be much of a competition. I'd say looking so far, very good. Very good. Very solid. Solid trades. Turbo, you're holding short for 480. Wow. That'd be awesome if that gets hit. I hope it does for your benefit. I will say the 1OP has been pretty helpful lately. That's what kept me from going long on the double bottom. Was the 1OP. So it's definitely, I think it has its cycles where it's more helpful. Dan, you should remake the video about you versus Matt trading challenge next summer. I don't think so. I don't think Matt would want to do it just because he's already did it. His channel's booming now. Like, I think at his, place and as a YouTuber, like, I think he's doing, he has a lot of people in on his stream. He's making money hand over fist. Like, so there's like, it's more putting, there's more weight, there's more, the impetus, the onus, I guess, is on the pro to really deliver. So it's a lot of pressure for the person I challenge, whereas it's not as much pressure for me because it doesn't matter if I lose. So I don't think you'd want to do it. Jim, you want to see motive wave or heat map? Yeah, there's heat map on ES. Sellers still look pretty good. Should do it with one option. With Pete from one option, he wouldn't do it. He doesn't want to. He wouldn't like doing that. And he would smoke me. So. You feel Bookmap is actually helpful? I know it is for some people. I get minimal help from it, but that's just me because based off my skill set. I don't, I'm not a great order flow reader. I'm trying to become better, but people like Carmine, I don't think he could trade without it, and he does very well. So it's just a piece of the puzzle, right? You use order flow with other, bits of analysis, and it can help with that. Any trades? Yeah. Yep. Done 3. This was the first trade. Let's go to MFFU. First trade was a long that I forgot to adjust my stop loss, so I got stopped out for a 10-point loss, so I got back in with the right stop loss and then took it off for, I think that was 18 points, 17 and a half, and then I just shorted the lows essentially. But it worked out. Honestly, no trades for Parshav is a W. Yeah, I mean, if you're not seeing it, like yesterday, I didn't take any trades on any. I did on the practice account, but no real trades. And that was, again, I would call that a win for me. Just like last Monday, no trades. So I really like putting in days without trades. That's how it should be. So I like that I've been able to stay disciplined in that regard. When are you doing your next competition with Carmine now that you're more experienced? I haven't really been feeling it lately. So I'm not gonna add the pressure of a challenge when my trading doesn't feel like I'm clicking on all cylinders, firing on all cylinders. Everything's not clicked into place. Carmine's still been crushing, way more than he did when we did that video together. He's been really crushing since then. So I just want the video to be very good and interesting. And the way I've been trading, I'm not very happy with it. So I'm going to kind of hold off till I feel a little bit better about things. All right, just a reminder, if you do want to help support my other channel, Mango Street, and you're waiting for your next setup, head over to that video, watch it, leave a nice comment unrelated to trading, please. Please make it related to the video. And I'll pick a commenter to get a free combine evaluation. There we go. Leaking lower. Sunday open. Next area of interest at 520. I did not pick a giveaway winner yet. Did not do it. I'm letting people, if people are focused on the charts, that's fine. I still want their support, so I'll let them wait until they have a little, maybe an opening in their trading to help out my other channel. I feel like you're not fully valuing our comments on the other video, man. That's not cool. Well, when you guys say something trading related on a video that's not, it just seems sus, right? I just want it to be like as genuine as possible, even though there's an ulterior motive for you, I do appreciate it, and I'm gonna have a random comment picker, so I'm not even gonna pick the comment. Why is Sunday open a level of interest for you? Because it just has been relevant. Let's look back like an hour, maybe an hourly chart would show some relevance to it. There's Sunday open. Nice rejection there, you know, break and retest of that. And then it held us support on the way up. And then we rejected off of it a few times yesterday, smashed through it. So, you know, until it becomes completely irrelevant, I'm leaving it on the chart. Jasper, what should I buy with my profits at GT3 or McLaren? Well, if you don't want to have that dilemma, you could send me your profits and then you won't have to worry about it. All right, let's see if NASDAQ can go green to red. Get a little gap fill. Did you already fill a gap? Yeah, I guess it did. Closed. Oh yeah, we closed way up there. Get yeah, a little green to red move here. How low can we go? So you're trading mainly based on bouncing points, like support. I mean, it's key levels, price action around key levels, including supply and demand. Let's pull up, let's see if I can pull up the 1OP for you to look at. Been pretty helpful today. Get me out of some trub. Okay, reminder here. We're looking at the blue and red oscillator down at the bottom. Had a cross. It's been a little glitchy here. Had a cross around, was it top of the hour there? Around 9 o'clock, 9:10. And it correlated with a nice sell-off. And that's what kept me from wanting to long the double bottom on NAS. Now it looks like we could be crossing up at the 0 line there, which would end the bearish cycle we've been in. So that's something to watch. See if we get some, maybe a break in the selling pressure, or if it continues throughout a bullish cycle, that's also bearish divergence, which would be interesting. I think it's a exclamation point indicator if you want to read more about it. Okay. Coming into that previous all-time high, this is where I took profit earlier around 86. Rejection of there could be interesting. Could have a reshort opportunity. Ever trade gold? Not really. No. I think maybe I threw like one trade on once. Maybe we did the on stream, I think. I was just moving kind of slow and I just didn't really I don't know. Just never haven't gotten into it. Mark's been so fakey the past few weeks, I've just had no confidence in any of my trades. Most of them I cut short before the target in case they turn around or I get chopped up. Feeling FOMO today. You know, you're not alone in not feeling the markets lately. That's for sure. It is hard to trust, especially a short. It's hard to trust a short lately. That's why I've been taking profits a bit quicker than normal. You know, what was this? Can't do the math right now. What is it? 28 points or something? 30 points. I've been taking quicker profits. You know, usually I'm looking for more than 30 points. But I am also a little bit hesitant to stay in trades a little too long. Could be an interesting area to short. Got a bit of a, I think a nice strong 5-minute candle there off the lows. You have an insanely weird question for me? Well, I might not answer it. I like this reshort here. Previous all-time highs, trend line top. I'm going to hold off, I think. What is the RR you are always going for in a trade? It's not static. Depends on the setup itself. If it's a, you know, if it's a super good setup, high probability of hitting, I don't mind a 1-to-1. If it is a little less likely, a lower probability, then I would want at least a, you know, usually a 1-to-2, 1-to-3. And go to graphic setting and put Motivwave on high performance so you reduce lag. Where did I find that? I don't even know how to do that. What do I got to do for you to be able to write me a letter of recommendation for college applications? Well, I don't think that's going to happen. We'd have to know each other personally. And unfortunately, we don't. Was that your short ES again? Nice, I like it. I like it's a retest of yesterday's close there on ES, and it was a good spot on NASDAQ as well. Back to the lows, Sunday open, in striking distance right down here. I like it. I think it can get hit. I don't want to do it on the stream part shop. Sometimes there's just like, sometimes I like dox myself with some sensitive information on stream by like going into settings of things. So I'll look into it off stream. I always hated having to get letters of recommendations for things, you know? It's like, who? I don't know people to do that, you know? Like, I don't, never liked having to do that. What do I think of Fitmo as a prop firm? I think it's probably okay. I've never traded it. Help me get into Harvard, man. Huh. I could help you get into DeVry, maybe. Man, I guess I should have just jumped in for that re-short there. We're at Sunday Open now. Very nice short. It's not Fitmo. No, I'm not saying FTMO. I'm not saying 4 fucking syllables. It's Fitmo. It's way more fun to say. And it makes sense. You think I'm saying FTMO? No, Fitmo. It's the only thing that makes sense. If they're not embracing that acronym, I don't know what to tell them. Just like MFFU, that's honestly the most annoying one to say. I'm not giving these guys more than 2 syllables. No prop firm deserves more than 2 syllables. Except for Tradify. Well, that was a great short. Nice job, Jose. Good take profit there at the Sunday Open. And pivot point on ES. Great. Should see a little bit of a bounce now. By bounce, I mean like retracement. Pullback. Fitmo, man. Fitmo. Tell me that doesn't make sense. You're saying Fitmo in your head, too. Without me having to say it, I know you're thinking Fitmo. Fitmo, dude. Jake, if you're not trading futures, what are you trading? Trading options, bro? Fatmo. All right, guys, last chance to go leave a comment on my other channel's video. Don't make it about trading, please. Just make it a regular, nice comment about the video. And then I'll do a giveaway. You have a very good chance of winning. Better than any raffle we've done on the channel. My short idea was also great. Yeah, thanks. I wish I would have taken action on that one, but sometimes it felt, you know, like at that point it felt a little double dippy. Like, you know, it was similar to spots where I exited the other one, so it's double dipping on that kind of move there. And sometimes I'm a little hesitant to do that when I already have a bag. But yeah, it ended up being perfect. Isn't Fitmo Rachel's new fitness channel? License Paint Huffer. It was a low effort comment, but I like you actually saying nice dog, because that's Carlton who passed away. And he is a nice dog. He's a very good boy. So actually, I do like the comment. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. He's our best boy. Thank you, V2, for correcting yourself. Down we go. Who was it targeting? 80s? 480? Was that Turbo or somebody? That's definitely in striking distance now. Like 20 points away from that. Here's 500. So I like this melt though. It's terrific. Nasdaq pretty much going green to flat. Let's see if we can go red on the day here. Is Fitmo more accommodating than Gitmo? What are the perks? Perks is no waterboarding, I think. All right, did everyone who want to enter in the comment video comment thing? Did everyone who wanted to do it? Because I will pick the winners now, unless there's anybody else in chat who wanted to enter. I do appreciate it. It is like literally the #1 way to help support a channel, help get it out there. So it does really help. And I'm gonna post a video tomorrow. We'll watch it after stream on my channel, and hope we can do the same there. And it helps when people leave comments. It really does. It makes a big difference. What do I do? Okay, Charlie, go watch that video. Just leave a comment about the video, please. A nice comment about the video. You'll be entered to win an eval. It's just that link. It's my other channel that I run with my wife Rachel called Mango Street. It's our first channel. We've been running that channel since 2017. And the algo stopped showing us love a long time ago. So we have to really encourage people to show the love so the algo knows people still like it. But enough about that. Jake, you passed your combine by 24 cents. Nice job. Guys, if you watch it at 0.25 speed, Dan will get 4 times the retention. That would really help out. I don't know if it works like that, but hey, can't hurt to try, right? Wait, how much do I need to donate here for a shirtless stream? Yeah, about that. Does actually, you can get 4-minute average watch time on a 1-minute video. Nice. Well, it's another great way to support. Damn, I got TikTok brains now. 5-minute videos are too long. Gotta be 4x the speed. Easy. Now it's a 1-minute video. I know, honestly, it does feel like I've heard that like Gen Alpha and stuff, they have a hard time watching movies, which to me is kind of sad. Did you hear about the Texan school phone ban? I think so, and I support it. I don't think kids should have phones, honestly. If you have like literally a device to call your parents to pick you up somewhere, that's fine. Social media is gonna kill everybody. It's gonna ruin everyone's brains for sure. It's fucked up. No one pays attention to school. No one knows shit. It's honestly there's just massive brain rot going on. And it's like a intellectualization. If that's not even a word. It's I don't like it. I'm very glad I grew up where when I did. I'm glad I had a flip phone when I was like I think a sophomore in high school when I got it. So if you get if you're driving around and you get an emergency or whatever, or you need to just call your friends, there's no texting costs money. Like if someone sent me a text, I'm like, dude, that's like 20 cents. Don't do that. And the camera phones were so shitty, no one really used them. And I actually really liked growing up in that era. Well, that's, obviously, just having schools display the Ten Commandments is fucking stupid. Separation of church and state for a reason in the Constitution. So. Razors, yeah, I had a Razor phone. It was I got that one when I was like, I think in college, I had a Razor phone. iPhone had just come out. My roommate had an iPhone. The very first iPhone 3G or whatever it was. I don't know. What's the Ten Commandments? Oh, Parsha. You don't. That's Christians, Moses, tablets. Thou shalt not kill. Honor thy father and mother. That kind of stuff. It's just the Christian Ten Commandments. Also Jewish and Muslim. Any Abrahamic religion, I think. Yeah, right? I don't know. Aren't there a lot of Christians in Kenya, though? Anywho, all right, let's do that giveaway. Here. Yeah, I mean, I think anyone who went to a public school in the United States went to a non-Christian school, but it's just like, pervades the culture. So I guess it's just like everyone knows what it is, even if you're not Christian. What is the giveaway? I've talked about it many times. And it's just commenting on a video on my other channel. Let's see how many comments there are. I think there's only there's 30 comments, I think, so probably have a 1 in, I don't know. You have a very good chance of winning. It's not 1 in 30 because I think there's a few comments from people who aren't in here. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. It just froze. Literally, as soon as I was moving the window over, I'm like, what happened? Okay, I'm using this very legitimate site. I actually never used it before. We'll see. Paste the link First winner is... Anything goes. Include replies. No. Okay. Ready? Pick a winner. Garrett. Okay, Garrett. Garrett messaged me on Discord. Let me know if you want Apex or My Fun and Features. I'll give away one more. Depending on Garrett's answer, we'll see which one. I don't know how. I think I have more Apex giveaways available than I do My Fun and Features. So with the Apex one, I can give you a code right away. With My Fun and Features, I need you to send me your My Fun and Features account, email that's associated with the account, so I can send it to them, and then they will tell you. They will hook it up for you. But if you want Apex, I can just give you the code right away. So Garrett, message me. Let me know also which one you want. Nice job, Vikas. Well done. You'll do MFFU? Okay. So the next one I'm going to give away is Apex then. If you get selected and you don't want Apex, then just let me know. We'll give it to somebody else. All right. So second winner is Evan. All right, Evan. You did have a very good comment there. Evan, you don't want it though, do you? So do you want me to pick another winner? This is rigged. You're literally, if you see me, you pick the randomizer right now. Double it and give it to the next one. I'm not gonna double it. So Evan doesn't want it. He's very rich. I mean, nice. Despite popular consensus that he's an asshole. It's actually very nice. Okay. The next winner and final winner for an Apex account. If you don't want the Apex, let me know, but here's the winner. Turbo. Is that Turbo AR, Turbo Ram, or who's the guy in chat? Oh, or is that somebody else? Let's see, who is that? Are you here, person? Turbo Vic? Maybe I'm reading it wrong. Turbo Civic, 2012. They could just be a Mango Street person. Oh no, that's you. Okay, Makem. Do you want Apex account? If you're going to join the Discord, you're going to message me on Discord, and I'm going to send you the code. And Garrett, I messaged you back. I just need your email. All right, great. Thank you, everybody, for commenting. I appreciate the support. Maybe we'll do that again another time. And you have a really good chance of winning. All right, Garrett, I got it. I will send it. Send it over to the guys, and then they'll hook it up. Assuming I can find the right email. Okay, all right. Garrett, I sent that off. Cam, I got your thing. No, you just have to DM me so I know who to send the code to. The code is good for the first month of any size eval you want, Cam. So I just sent that to you. You should be all good there. All right, gang. Mr. Bond, you caught that long for a green day on the PA. Had to come by and like the stream. Nice trade. Nice little higher low there. Off of 480, which, by the way, did Turbo get their profit target there? I think it was you, Turbo, who's looking for 480. That was a terrific target. I mean, we turned around at like 83, but hopefully you took profit there. I'm going to end the day about 686 on the My Funded Futures funded account. And I'm going to get back at it Friday for a Friday stream. We'll also do a premiere of my next video on my channel. So it'll be a good day, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your Thursday, and I'll see you guys on Friday for a fun stream. So I'll see you then. Later.